Firefighters in Morgan County tackled a tough fire at a Rocky Mountain Power Hydroelectric plant. This happening last night about 5 miles up Weber Canyon near the eastbound rest stop. The Mountain Green Fire District saying that lightning struck a pole there, causing a transformer to fall and set fire to a 100-year-old control house. Live wires electrifying the water and nearby fences made it tough for crews to approach. The building is considered a total loss, but RMP was reportedly planning to replace it in just a few months.